Good morning, YouTubers. This update is on Bed Bath & Beyond. Anyway, first I just want to talk about the 52-week high is $31.70. The 52-week low is $4.38, which it just recently hit. Next, I just want to talk about some background information and the first quarter of 2022 revenues, earnings. Anyway, first of all, the company was founded in 1971. It has 32,000 employees. The current CEO, Mark Tritton, is out. And now they have a new interim CEO, Sue Gove. Not sure I'm pronouncing her last name correctly. Next, I just want to go into the earnings for February 22. The revenue was $2.05 billion, down 21.68% year over year. Net income minus $159.1 million, down 1,856% year over year. Ouch. Net profit margin minus 7.76%, down 2,317% year over year. Bed Bath & Beyond had a COVID low of $3.43. So the earnings were atrocious, but you cannot rule out the meme stock phenomenon. I don't think retail investors want Bed Bath & Beyond to fail. And in my opinion, we'll likely keep buying this, especially if we get good news. Anyway, I've started a small position last Friday on this in the low 5 range. But business-wise, they are not doing well. Now, the interim CEO, Sue Gove, or Gove, however you pronounce that, she purchased $230,500 worth of stock, not shares. So that shows a little confidence on her part. We'll see how far that goes. Now, Bed Bath & Beyond tends to have these explosive moves. Like on March 7th, it went up 40% from March 4th. March 4th, it was at $16.18. Then it went up to $22.86. See if I can show you that here. Yeah, right on this day. $16.18. $22.86. That's an increase of 41.2%. Now, this also happened again on July 7th, except it was the same day. Basically, it went from $4.47 all the way up to $5.80. Actually, I think it went more like to $5.90 on the 7th. So that's an increase of almost 32%. So you can't count out the explosive moves, especially if you're just getting into the stock now. If you're a bag holder, yeah, it's pretty rough. Then another thing, Ryan Cohen, who saved GameStop, is also the 4th largest shareholder, owning 9.7% in February of 22. Anyway, his average cost, I believe, is about $17. Another thing of notable interest is there's a 35% short interest in this stock. So one of the problems these guys have had is they've been selling private label brands that are very expensive. So hopefully they can make some big changes and sell some cheaper brands in there. What I was talking about before, how Bed Bath & Beyond shares soar 40% on March 7th. Anyway, just to show you that was in there. So you cannot discount this meme stock. You do not know what's going to happen here. And I think it's worth looking at when it's at near its 52-week lows. and we have Ryan Cohen on board to help turn this thing around. So we'll see what happens, but as with all investing, it's risky, so do your own due diligence, please, and make your own call on this. But I am currently a buyer at the low 5 range, and if it goes into the 4s, even more of a buyer. But let's see what happens. Take care. Have a good one.